Awesome. So thank you very much for watching. This was a super easygoing, super relaxed hike, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I did get a bit unlucky with the weather in places, but I mean, this is England, so like, what did I expect really? I really am enjoying going on these local hikes and discovering all these new places that are super local to me that I had no idea even existed before. This was a really fun and easygoing hike with plenty of options for different difficulties. And yeah, if you're local, then I highly recommend that you check it out. If you want to look at my route, then I've linked an all trails map down below. It's not the exact route I went on, as I hiked in from Berkhamsted, and as usual I went off the path a bit here and there, but it's a pretty good outline for any of you wanting to find your own way around this beautiful area. If you're new here, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. We've just recently got up to 600 subscribers. Out of focus, come on dude. We've just recently got up to like 600 subscribers, which is amazing, super exciting, and I'd love to see that number tick up a few more with this video. So subscribe, join us, join the journey that we're on. We welcome you with open arms, and we'd love to have more people here. I've got plenty of hiking and adventure content for you to check out on this channel already. And I'm also planning some really exciting trips for the future. So feel free to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, like the video down below, because there is going to be a lot more content on this channel in 2021. Also, if you want to watch more relaxing and lovely hiking videos like these, then I would highly suggest checking out the other free solo hiking videos that I've released on this channel. I've recently hiked 18 miles along the entire Ashridge Boundary Trail, 21 miles down the Grand Union Canal, and 18 miles from Berkhamsted to Wendover, which I highly recommend for you to check out if you're looking for some fun escapism or some inspiration for your next hike. Anyways, that is all from me. I hope you have a great day.